day, everyone. I am Kathleen Rain F. Paz, and today I will discuss the properties of biomolecules. Biomolecules are important substances found in living organisms. They are essential for growth, energy production, cell communication, and many other biological processes. The four major biomolecules are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acid. In this presentation, I will explain four important properties of biomolecules: sense of directionality, informational property, weak chemical forces, and three-dimensional force. The first property is sense of directionality. Biomolecules are arranged in a specific order and do not connect randomly. For example, amino acids in proteins are linked in a head-to-tail sequence, while nucleic acids such as DNA also have a particular direction. To better understand this, imagine following recipe when cooking. When ingredients must be added in the correct order to produce the desired outcome, if the sequence is changed, the final product may not turn out as expected. In the same way, biomolecules require the correct arrangement for them to function properly. Changes in their sequence may affect normal body processes and can sometimes lead to disease. The second property is that biomolecules are informational. Biomolecules contain and transfer information needed by cells. DNA, for instance, stores genetic information that determines inherited traits and guides cells in producing proteins. We can compare DNA to a blueprint used in building a house. Blueprint contains all the instruction needed for construction. Similarly, DNA contains instructions that direct growth, repair, and other important cellular activities. This properly is important. It helps how traits are inherited and how genetic disorders occur. The third property is that biomolecules have weak chemical force. These include hydrogen bonds, ionic interaction, and hydrophobic interaction. Although these forces are weak individually, together they help maintain the structure and stability of biomolecules. Imagine several magnets attached to a metal surface. A single magnet may not hold much weight, but multiple magnets working together can provide stronger support. The weak chemical force are important because they allow biomolecules to maintain their shape and perform their function effectively. In healthcare, understanding this interaction is useful because many medications work by affecting these molecular forces. The last property is biomolecules have a three-dimensional structure. Their shape determines how they function. Proteins, for example, need to fold correctly to carry out their specific roles in the body. Think of puzzle pieces. They only fit together when their shapes match properly. Likewise, biomolecules can interact effectively only when they have the correct structure. If their shape changes, their function may also be affected, which can contribute to certain disease. To conclude the four important properties, they have a sense of directionality, they store biological information, they are stabilized by weak chemical forces, and they have a three-dimensional structure. These properties are essential because they allow biomolecules to perform their roles in maintaining life. Understanding this concept is important in nursing and healthcare, since they help explain normal body functions, disease development, and treatment processes. That's all for today. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something about the fascinating properties of biomolecules. Bye!